Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions.
Hi, I'm Eric Grant from Sailrite. In this short tutorial video, we're going to demonstrate using the Stimpson die to install spur grommets. Now, there are many types of Stimpson dies, and they all work great in the HandyPress tool, and they work in a similar fashion.
Before we get started, you need to know that the HandyPress may just be the best hand press ever made. Besides the fact that it takes almost any brand die set made for any brand hand press, it has some major advantages that other hand presses don't even come close to matching. I highly recommend you watch the demo video showing the amazing features of the HandyPress. To see it, click the link in the description or in the upper right hand corner of this video. To demonstrate using the Stimpson dies in the HandyPress, we're going to be installing Spur Grommets, and these are stainless steel Spur Grommets. Before a grommet can be set, we need to punch a hole in our fabric assembly. Here we're using the Sailrite Drill Hole Cutter, which fits great in the HandyPress to punch holes in our fabric assembly. You can click the link at the top right if you'd like to see more about how this hole punch works. After all our holes are punched, we'll remove the Sailrite Drill Hole Cutter, we'll remove the workbench and the cutting board. Now we'll install the Stimpson dies. These dies are made for a number 2 spur grommet. We install the bottom die and lock down the thumb screw and the upper die in the upper shaft. And then we'll lock it down with that thumb screw as well. Since dies come in different sizes, our upper shaft is adjustable. We need to raise or lower it for that sweet spot. So when the dies touch, the lever needs to be horizontal or slightly downward. This will give us the ability to achieve maximum compression in a similar way that vice grips work. Continue pulling down the lever to see if the dies are touching and make adjustments until they do. This is perfect. At that position, the lever should be horizontal or slightly downward. Now it's time to load the dies. We're going to put the female over top of the male on the bottom die. Then place our fabric assembly, which has the hole already punched, on top, and then the male on top of it, as seen here. Depress the lever, which is fairly easy because we have that sweet spot feel. And this again is a stainless steel spur grommet, which is very hard to set. Let's take a look at the top side. It looks good. The bottom side is the key. How does it look? Gorgeous. If the grommet were not set appropriately, you could always adjust the upper shaft up or down for that perfect position for maximum compression or less compression. Now all we have to do is load the die again and continue to set our spur grommets. These dies work perfectly with stainless steel grommets and also brass or nickel-plated brass. The HandyPress will also work with multiple other brands and types of dies. We hope this video has been helpful. Check out our website to find out what other types and brands of dies will work with the HandyPress.